Elevate your casual wardrobe with the Hixiaohe women's oversized corduroy jacket coat. This stylish piece features a button closure, long sleeves with button cuffs, and a classic lapel collar. With 2 chest flap pockets, a frayed hem, and a drop shoulder design, it combines a distressed look with retro charm. This oversized jacket is perfect for a loose fit, allowing you to wear it open as a jacket or buttoned up as a top. It pairs effortlessly with t-shirts, crop tops, and black leggings, making it a versatile addition to your closet. Ideal for casual daily wear, dating, school, vacations, holidays, and office settings. This shacket is a great choice for spring and fall. Care instructions: hand wash in cold water, or use a soft machine wash. Avoid bleach and hang dry. Wash separately to maintain quality. Upgrade your style with this